When we were growing up, we were always told to save, but nobody really told us about investing. So what is saving and what is saving? My name is Pius Mushiri Mugo, and you're watching Invest in Saving and What is Saving. Oh!
From Kenya, I'd like to wish all the members, customers, and partners of Nabo Capital a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous and blessed 2019.
Yeah. And at that point is when you make decisions on distributions that will be made to your members.
How to run.
Ting, 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 ting. Hey, by the way, this thing is being seen, huh? Ini moto. Ini moto. Ini moto. But I am feeling it.
Hello, I'm Robert Bunyi, the chairman of Nabo Capital, and I come from It's the easiest thing to do.
Success.
I am Ali Angula, a board member of Nabo Capital.
My name is Pius Mushiri Mugo, the managing director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching YouTube. Channel.
Invest in Africa.